Right, today we are going to talk about differential equation. So the question reads, the variables x and y satisfy the differential equation e to the power 2x dy dx equals to 4x y squared, and it is given that y equals to 1 when x equals to 0. Solve the differential equation obtaining an expression for y in terms of x. Right, my name is Sam Rewa, and this is my number for online lessons. Right, so we want to tackle this differential equation. The question was from a Cambridge paper. Solution, we are given e to the power 2x dy dx is equal to 4x y squared. Right, so whenever we are solving a differential equation, we begin by separating variables. So in this case, we want to separate variables, those with x on one side, those with y on one side of the equal sign. So in this case, we are going to separate separating variables. So here we have dy, dx will go this side. In this case we have dy, so y will come this side, it will be 1 over y squared equals to, here we have 4x, then we have e to the power 2x, will be dividing here, e to the power 2x times dx, right? So this can be written as 1 over y squared dy is equal to 4x e to the power negative 2x dx. Now, after separating variables, we integrate both sides. Integrating both this side, integrating this side. This one can be written in the form integral of y to the power negative 2 dy. Then, in this case, we are going to use integration by parts. Integration by parts states that we are going to use integration by parts. By parts, we are going to let, it says integral of u dv dx is equal to uv minus integral of v du dx. So in this case, we are going to let let u be 4x, and dv dx becomes e to the power negative 2x, right? So here we are going to differentiate this one, it will be du dx is equal to 4. Then our v, we are going to integrate this one, it will be e to the power negative 2x over negative 2. Right, so now we are going to integrate the left hand side. This one, if we integrate this one, it becomes integral of y to the power negative 2, add 1 and divide by the new power, it will be y to the power negative 1 over negative 1 is equal to, this one we are going to substitute on this formula. So we have uv y to the power negative 1 over negative 1 is equal to uv, that will be 4x times v e to the power negative 2x over negative 2 minus integral of v, that's e to the power negative 2x over negative 2 times v du dx times 4 dx. Right, so this one can be written as negative 1 over y, negative 1 over y is equal to, then negative 2 goes here, so we have negative x 2 times negative 2x, negative 2x e to the power minus 2x minus, right? So we are going to integrate this item again. If we integrate this one, we differentiate the power, then we divide by the derivative. So if we differentiate negative 2x, we divide by the derivative. So it will be e to the power minus 2x. So we have 4e to the power minus 2x all over. It will be negative 2 times negative 2, that will be 4, plus a constant of integration. Now 4 into 4, that's 1. Therefore negative 1 over y is equal to negative 2x negative 2x e to the power minus 2x minus e to the power minus 2x plus a constant of integration. Remember, we are given these limits y1 when x is 0. We are going to find our constant of integration using these limits. When y equals to 1, our x equals to 0. Therefore, negative 1 over 1 is equal to negative 2 times 0 e to the power negative 2 times 0 minus e to the power negative 2 times 0. Then negative 1 is equal to, this one becomes 0 plus c, and this one becomes any number to the power 0, it will be 1 plus c. Then minus 1 plus 1 equals to c. Our c becomes 0. Then coming back to this one, we are going to put a 0 here. So negative 1 over y is equal to negative 2x e to the power, I can rewrite this as over e to the power 2x minus 1 over e to the power 2x plus 0, right? So now we want to make y subject of formula. We can multiply throughout by negative to eliminate this negative. 1 over y is equal to, this will be 2x over e to the power 2x plus 1 over e to the power 2x. Then multiplying throughout by e to the power 2x here becomes e to the power 2x is equal to, we can multiply again by y times 2x plus 1, then divide by 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1. Our y becomes e to the power 2x all over 2x plus 1. So this is how we express y in terms of x. So remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Same Rewa Online. Thank you for watching this video.